My name is Stephanie Willoughby, and I'm a family photographer here in the great state of New Jersey. Jersey is full of small towns with big personalities, which is why I want to explore what makes your community special. I'm interested in the stories that your community would tell if it had a voice. This is part 2 of HomeGrown, Clinton, New Jersey. Visiting Clinton is one thing, but what if you want to live in Clinton? Well, then you'd come and see the ladies of Vikki Healey Properties. Tell me a little bit about Clinton.
It's such a wide spectrum of what people have to choose from depending on their budget and what they're looking for, but everything from a really beautiful condo complex. We have some great developments in the area that have nice amenities and are really affordable. You can get a little cottage, or you can go all the way to, super luxury properties and farms and equestrian estates and everything in between. Historic homes, new construction. We really have something for everybody out here.
Most of the people that are coming to purchase a home or even rent a place from you guys, where do you find them coming from?
A variety of places. Like you mentioned, some people are local, they've grown up here, they want to stay here, but there are a lot of transplants that are coming from other areas for different reasons. And it's different now. So many people used to always have to commute. So, the areas immediately surrounding New York and Philadelphia, a lot of people were always having to go to the office every day. But things have changed, and there's a lot larger population now that are able to work from home and might only have to make the trip into their office in the city once a week or twice a week or go for meetings. We're really conveniently located to Newark Airport here. So people who have to travel for business but work at home in between, this is really a nice spot for that type of work schedule. So it depends who it is and what they're looking for.
The town itself is small, it's just a few blocks and it's on a little grid, and the people are they're friendly, and it's a nice place to be. It's kind of, I will use my sister's description when she came to visit one time, and she just was like, looking behind, she's like, I have to look behind the buildings. Are these facades, is this just propped up? It was during Dickens days, which comes right after Thanksgiving. So if anyone gets an opportunity to come out here the day after Thanksgiving, you'll see people dressed in Dickensian outfits, and they're singing holiday music, Christmas carols.
It's really, it's almost, some of it is almost
it's almost hokey.
Hard to believe.
Yeah.
I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the price range of homes. I know that you said they're, anything from condos to farms or equestrian estates. What kind of price range are we talking about for folks looking in Clinton?
Well, we definitely have something for just about every price point for people who are purchasing. So I would say on the affordable end, we're starting at around $200,000, and for that you might be able to find a nice condominium or a small home somewhere, and it goes all the way up. I mean, we have multi-million-dollar estates that are all in the immediate vicinity. But your most common price range is probably going to be in the $450 to $800 zone, and I realize that's a wide range, but we really do have such a variety. People come here for a day trip because it's pretty.
Yeah.
And we live here. So it's really nice to, you have to sometimes stop and notice it and to appreciate it, because you get caught up in your day-to-day thing, and then you stop and you go past the Red Mill and the art museum, and you're like, wow, this is a pretty place I live.
Yeah.
Every day when I walk my dogs and I'm walking them along the Pony Truss Bridge, I can't help but think wow, this has been here for hundreds of years. And just thinking about the idea of people who had walked across that, it's just kind of mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Or being in a house where, from the 1840s, and what were the discussions of the day?
Yeah.
It's
totally.
What happened? Yeah.
Well, and that's the thing.
History here.
It's a lot of history, and it feels like a really soulful place, and it does feel like home. So it makes sense that we're here today and with you guys.
Thank you.
I could get used to life here in Clinton. When you're spending the day in Clinton, you're going to want something sweet. Might I recommend the awesome chocolate truffles at Chaco Diem?
I'm from Belgium, came over 21 years ago, and couldn't find any good chocolates here. I'm a kind of a snob, because in Belgium we really have good chocolates, besides beers and desserts and good cuisine. 6 years ago I started in Clinton, across the street here, in a very small store. And over the 6 years we won a lot of awards, We reopened here as a location. We have 3 stores now. Hopefully in 2 weeks we will be opening in Philadelphia, meaning that we have good chocolates. 5 years ago, she stumbled upon that little store over there because she saw a beautiful logo. We have a beautiful logo.
You do have a beautiful logo.
Thank you. The chocolates were good.
Right.
The taste was there, but hey, what's happening here? It's nothing. The store doesn't look like anything. So she came in 5 years ago. She comes from the fashion world, and she changed it to a branding, and we're doing very well now. So
That's incredible.
together, I'm a scientist, she's a fashion person, and together we make it work. Taste, looks, and then the customer service.
I had 2 things to work with, this amazing logo and this great product, and to structure and build a brand around that. We've done that successfully in the last 5 years. And from then, we've really grown it to not just a local brand, but expanding outward. We've opened a second location together in Easton, Pennsylvania. And like JP said, in a couple of weeks, we're going to be expanding to a big city of Philadelphia. And we're really excited to bring our brand out there and our quality and our service. All our chocolates are made in small batches in a true artisan way. They're extremely fresh, and it's something that you're not going to get anywhere else. And
Right. It sounds like it just works, right? Like the whole...
Yeah, within 4 years,
Yeah.
we got the top 10 chocolatier award of North America.
Right. You
4
guys have-
years is pretty, it's
Yeah,
pretty fast.
that's pretty fast.
Yes,
And
yeah.
you've received numerous
Yeah.
accolades,
Yes.
numerous
Yeah,
awards.
Forbes and New York Times.
Forbes
and-
named us one of the best chocolates for gift giving
PBS,
last holiday season. And they had a
doesn't
large panel of chocolates to choose from, and they chose 8, and we were one of them.
That's incredible.
And we've been featured in the New York Times and by PBS, and so we've had some great credits behind us.
It's really interesting because Clinton's this teeny tiny
Yeah,
town.
so, yeah.
Not a lot of people know about Clinton.
That's true.
You ended up from Belgium to Clinton. You ended up walking into the store in Clinton. How? Why Clinton?
No, it's quaint.
There's a wonderful charm to it.
It's something, I don't know what it is, but
There's
so
a charm and sense of
I
community.
stumbled upon it. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's quaint.
beautiful.
It is great.
Yeah.
And people are nice here. I mean,
They are really nice.
they
I'm
are,
finding that to be very true.
Okay.
And obviously super supportive because to
Yeah,
grow
yeah.
something from as small as it was, this idea, and you guys have only been around, is it 6 years now?
Yeah, 6 years.
Yeah, this is huge.
It is huge,
You know,
yes,
and then
There's a wonderful sense of community and loyalty.
Yeah.
We have a wonderful, loyal clientele that follows us. And it's been really beautiful to see over the years families and customers that have grown with us. We've done weddings, and then from the weddings, we've done the baby showers and the birthdays. And it's really, and when they come to us for their special events, and there's this friendship and a bond that we just kind of developed over the years.
What's your best seller in the store?
Can we turn around? Or
Yeah, we can turn
It's
around.
our-
We can do whatever we
All right,
want.
I'll turn around. Okay, that's okay. Our
Which
best seller
ones
is
are,
the caramel with sea salt.
I was eyeballing that one. That looks really good.
Did you get already?
I have not tried
All right.
yet. We will try.
The second one is our pearl because it looks so amazing.
It's our signature truffle.
That's how
It's very
Forbes has indeed.
Yep.
Oh, this was one of the ones that they tried. when they
Yes,
were
yes,
making-
and it was
okay.
their
featured.
personal favorite. It was
Okay,
their personal
that
favorite.
was a
Yep, it's our
feature.
It's a
signature
dark
truffle.
chocolate inside in a white shell and then sugar on top of it. And it's unique. We are the only one. Now, where we're really unique is where we customize everything. You have a wedding, bring your wine, we'll make truffles with your wine. You know,
Really?
that's how we go. Yeah.
Well, I'm excited to get started in trying some of these shots. I have to
You
be.
will. You will.
You know, it's part of the job. Oh, this looks like a little snow globe. He's so cute. Oh, it's really good. Oh, it's really, really good. So this is the Himalayan sea salt caramel. All right, here we go. One big bite. Oh, it's so good. It's salty, sweet. The caramel like comes flying out. Like it's not.
It's not a dense.
It's not stringy caramel. It's like almost like a flavor shot.
Yeah.
You know? It's like a shot of caramel. All right, so this is so cute. Look at that little dot. This tells us that it's the caramel apple. Oh, I love that. This might be my favorite. I highly recommend the caramel apple. I like this one. I'm gonna finish this one. Before coming to Clinton, I assumed it was a quiet farm village with beautiful historic homes. I could never have imagined the rich sense of community or the way that the locals support one another. Clinton, New Jersey literally smells like coffee and toast and feels like a warm hug. If you find yourself here, get lost in its beauty and say hello to our new friends. They are self-made and homegrown. You can find us here on TAPintoTV or on Instagram at HomeGrownNJ. I'd love to hear about your amazing town. For HomeGrown, I'm Stephanie Willoughby. We'll see you next time.